Good afternoon. It is Wednesday the 8th of April. It's currently 1:45 and I'm sitting down and doing some work for the first time this week. I worked incredibly hard over the weekend. I got the dog eye study tutorial complete and I edited it together and got everything done with that, so I'm really pleased. Here's the final result for you guys. This is the finished piece, and what I'm going to do now is I've actually sold this, so I'm going to package it up and get it ready for posting. I've already been to the post box today with some posts, so I'm going to pop this in the post tomorrow. And yeah, I'm really pleased with this, and this is up on my Club Puffin website and on Patreon as well. It's like, I think it's about 2 hours, maybe a little bit more, maybe like 2.5 hours, this study, so I'm really pleased with the outcome of that, and pleased that I actually have a new tutorial lesson up for people because it had been a while, so I'm really pleased that I've actually managed to get that done. And what I can do now is focus on this cockatiel tutorial, which I'm going to start. I think I'm going to start it Friday because it's Easter, like Good Friday, and it's Easter over the weekend and stuff, and I'm going to be on my own because James is going to his dad's for that weekend, so I think I'm going to start it Friday because then I can literally like spend most of the day on it rather than just having like an hour whilst James is having a nap, because that's literally all I'm going to have today because he just wants to play outside because the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. We've already been on our one walk of the day to the post box. We walked, because my mum lives like just around the corner from me, we walked to past her house because James was asking to say hello, so we walked past. I was hoping that we would see her at the window, but no, we didn't, so James was a little bit disappointed, but oh well. We were just gonna wave like hello, but that didn't happen, unfortunately. So yeah, today on the agenda I have some watercolours to do, actually, because I got a message from somebody on my Facebook page asking if I could do another watercolour for them, because I did some a while ago, so I was like, sure, why not? And then I decided to like just put a post up on my page saying that they're available, and now there's a listing on my website as well for them. So yeah, I am open to watercolour commissions at the moment, and also if anybody wants like an eye study commission, I'm open to those as well, because these are my favourite things to draw like ever, and if you don't mind me tutorialising it as well, then that's a bonus. But the watercolour commissions are like this size, they're 4x4 inches, and I've also got A4 ones up, and I've got 3 of this size and 1 A4 to do. So my plan is to do the smaller ones and make a time-lapse video for this Friday for YouTube, about money, how to make money as an artist, or ways to make money as an artist. I've done a video before, but I just wanted to do an updated one because it's been like 2.5 years since I last did one of those videos, so I thought it now would be a good time. Plus, you know, people are at home and they want to potentially make money from the hobby, so I thought it might be a good video to put out. So that's the plan for today. So I'm going to package this up, I'm going to show you some footage of this, and then we're going to prepare to do the watercolours and do some watercolouring together. Hi guys, it is Thursday, the 9th of April. It's the morning today, it's 11:30 and I've been sitting down here packing some orders and getting some stuff done because I need to take a trip to the post box with my child. So I've got a bunch of posts just sitting there, all ready and done, and what I've done is just spent the last half an hour sorting out some promotional material for my shop. So I showed in the last studio vlog what I send out. So I send out these A5 prints. These are the current ones with an owl on them. I also send out a little thank you note like this, scratch card with a little scratchy thing, and of course a business card which also has the owl on, and these are printed incredibly wrong, but what are you gonna do? See? So I send all of that out, and I am running so low on A5 prints. This is how many I have now. This is about 25. So yeah, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna need to order some more because I'm pretty sure that I wouldn't be able to get a delivery like next day for the kind of stuff that I needed to order. So I just spent this morning sorting out some files for A5 prints. So you've got two options. I'm gonna probably use the remainder of these before the delivery that I'm getting for next Wednesday, but you've got lynxes and African wild dogs, which I'm really pleased about, and they're printed on recycled card, and which is also recyclable as well. These are recyclable, but they're like coated, so some people think that you can't put them in, but you can. But these are recycled but coated, but I've got recycled uncoated this time for all of the prints, the thank you notes, and the scratch cards as well. So I have just sorted out some of the files for the thank you notes and other things, and reordered a bunch of stuff. So I've got 500 scratch cards coming, 400 prints, and God knows how many thank you cards. I think 500 of those as well, because I've only got, this is quite a larger stack, but I've got this amount of thank you notes. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I've spent this morning doing, and last night I spent some time doing those watercolours ready for my YouTube video tomorrow. I've done the watercolour part. They look absolutely shocking at the moment until I add like all of the lines and everything on it, but I did those. I did 2 of them. So yeah, it's been a very productive time. I have also added the dog eye tutorial to the puffin dashboard and everything, so that is all up on Patreon and everything. That's all good. So what I plan to do today is, in a minute I'm going to walk to the post box with my child. Hopefully he will calm down and then he'll want to go for a little bit of a nap. Hopefully if we take a brisk walk and I make him run, then he'll tire him out a little bit more. Then I need to finish off those watercolours, which I will bring you along with the process for, and then basically I just need to write a script for my YouTube video for tomorrow, but because I'm going to be on my own for the next four days, I don't need to get the YouTube video done today, so I can do the script and everything this evening or whenever I get time, and then voice it over tomorrow, and then it's just like a time lapse of the watercolour stuff, so that's good. And then I've got Saturday, I've got a live stream with my puffins, which is watercolour as well, and then I can do the cockatiel Sunday and Monday and get a head start on that, and I think I'm going to do some fur as well, so that's the plan. But let's go to the post box and then I'll crack on with some more watercolour stuff. Just thought I'd update you. I have had a postal delivery from Alice, and she has sent this, so I'm just gonna, you know, open it up. I have a card, and apparently Bean licked it, so I'm excited about that. But we have hot chocolate. Yes, Belgian hot chocolate. I'm gonna have one of these right now, and also brownies. I mean, I'm gonna have this for my lunch right now. This is like the best care package. Let's just open up the Bean licked card. This is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. Look at that. I'm not going to read it, but oh, okay. It says, here's a picture of Bean for your wall and a care package. Ah, thank you. If anybody wants to check out Alice's shop and YouTube channel, I'll leave her links in the description below. Go and give her some love and some support, because, you know, hard times. So, and this is an adorable card. I'm going to stick it on, I don't know whether to put it on the wall in front of me or to put it on my special wall. I think I'm going to put it over there. I'm going to clear a space, but I'm going to make some hot chocolate and eat a brownie with James now. Morning, it is Friday. It's Good Friday. It's the start of Easter time. It's the 10th of April, in case you don't know the date, and I have just packaged up some orders, some Etsy orders. I had an Etsy order from somebody that watches the vlog, so hi Dawn, I've just packaged up your order. Thank you so much for your very, very kind order, and yeah, it'll be with you soon, hopefully. Yeah, I have just packaged up those orders, and now I am going to edit my YouTube video for today. I need to I've got the plan. I've been writing in my notebook this morning what exactly it is I'm going to talk about. I don't know whether to just kind of like I don't know whether to write a script or whether to just like wing it and talk about it. I sometimes find that when I wing it, I ramble too much, and I don't want to have to edit a load of talky bits. But also I don't want to spend forever writing a script. So maybe I'll just see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see. But that's what I need to do this morning. It's ways to make money as an artist. As I said, I haven't done one of these for ages, and I really wanted to do one. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And also, I've just, you know, spur of the moment decided that I'm going to ask people in my Facebook group whether they have pictures of tulips, because I really want to draw a tulip for a card design, and also just for something different. And I want to make, I asked on my group if anybody has any art business questions, and I want to have something that can be like a time lapse in the background that's coloured pencil, that I can sort of voice over the top of. And I want to do art business questions, because I've already asked for a bunch of questions there. It's all good to go. So yeah, I decided that I wanted to draw a tulip because it's different, and it probably won't take me that long to draw, especially if I do it on like a small scale. And then I've got a card design like for next spring, or to pop it onto a card design now. I don't know. So I've asked for pictures of tulips, and I've got some really, really good ones in the group. I kind of wanted like a half closed one. I've seen this one has been added by Beatrice. Look at that. That is exactly what I'm after. So I think I'm going to draw that one. So yeah, that's my plan for today. I was going to live stream it, but I think I'm just going to have the door open and just enjoy like the sun and just being on my own and just having some free time. So that's the plan today. I probably won't show very much of the process. Well, I won't show any of the process of me editing the video, because it's always kind of really boring and it's just me talking, and I don't really like to hear myself talking. So yeah, I think I'm going to sign off for today and call this studio vlog complete. Maybe I'll include some clips of the tulip in progress for next week, for the next vlog, because I want to get this vlog. I've been trying to do editing for vlogs on Saturday, because otherwise I spend most of my day Wednesday editing vlogs. So I'm going to call it a day, and then I can edit this potentially today, and then just get it scheduled and up ready. So that's just a rundown of how my day is gonna go. I really hope that you guys have a good rest of the week. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, thank you so much for your continued support. All of your comments, by the way, are great. I love reading them back. I know I haven't replied to comments in a while. I need to make some time to do that. But all of your, I read every single comment that is left on the vlogs especially, and thank you all so much for your support and your suggestions and telling me to take it easy on myself and everything. I really do appreciate it, and I love to read them, so thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.